Building personal wealth is an exciting journey that takes time, effort, and a sprinkle of discipline, but anyone can do it. Whether you're just starting or refining your financial strategy, there are laid back steps to help you on your way to financial success. Let's dive into the essentials. Number one, earning money. First, let's talk about earning money. This can come from your job or business, known as earned income, or from passive income through investments. To boost your earning potential, focus on doing what you love. If you're passionate about photography, consider turning that hobby into a side gig. Investing in your skills through courses or workshops can pay off big time. Number two, set goals and develop a plan. Next, set clear financial goals. Think about what you want to achieve. Whether it's retiring early, buying a cozy home, or saving for an epic vacation, having specific goals helps keep you focused. Write down your goals and break them into smaller steps. For example, if you want to save for a down payment on a house, determine how much you need and set a timeline. Number three, saving money. Saving money is super important. Aim to have 3 to 6 months worth of income saved for emergencies. This safety net can help you avoid financial stress when unexpected expenses pop up. Track your spending to see where your money goes. Trust me, it can be eye-opening. Use a budgeting app or a simple spreadsheet to categorize your expenses into needs and wants. Once you have a clear picture of your spending habits, set realistic savings goals. Automate transfers to your savings account to make saving easier. For instance, set up direct deposits from your paycheck to go straight into your savings. Additionally, consider contributing to retirement accounts like a 401k to help your future self. Number four, invest money. Once you've built up some savings, it's time to invest. Diversifying your investments is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your money across different assets to minimize risk. Mutual funds and ETFs are great options for beginners since they offer built-in diversification. Number five, protect your assets. Protecting your assets with insurance is also vital. Make sure you have homeowners or renters insurance, auto insurance, and life insurance to keep everything safe. Number six, manage debt and build your credit. Finally, manage debt wisely. Pay off high-interest debt quickly and keep your credit score in good shape by paying bills on time. Building wealth is about consistent saving, investing, and making smart choices. With a little patience and a clear plan, anyone can achieve financial success.